How to enable developer options on Android. This tutorial shows you how to unlock the hidden developer settings on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on About Phone. From there, tap on Software Information to see your device details. At this point, find the Build Number option and tap on it 7 times in a row. In the next step, after a couple of taps, you'll see a countdown message telling you how many more taps are needed. Keep going until you see a notification confirming that developer mode has been enabled. Following this, you may be asked to enter your PIN or password to verify. Go ahead and enter it. Once done, go all the way back to the main settings page and scroll to the very bottom. Finally, you'll now see developer options sitting at the bottom of the list. Tap on it to open it and start exploring all the advanced settings available. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable developer options on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.